2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, traction control, navigation system, running boards, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.